بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أوفوا بالعقود أحلت لكم بهيمة الأنعام إلا ما يتلى عليكم غير محل الصيد وأنتم حرم إن الله يحكم ما يريد.
Believers, honor your bonds. All grazing beasts of the flock are permitted to you, except those which are recited to you hereinafter. But you are not allowed to hunt in the state of ihram, the state of pilgrim sanctity. Indeed, Allah decrees as He wills.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تحلوا شعائر الله ولا الشهر الحرام ولا الهدي ولا القلائد ولا آمين البيت الحرام يبتغون فضلا من ربهم ورضوانا وإذا حللتم فاصطادوا ولا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم أن صدوكم عن المسجد الحرام أن تعتدوا وتعاونوا على البر والتقوى ولا تعاونوا على الإثم والعدوان واتقوا الله إن الله شديد العقاب.
Believers, neither desecrate the symbols of devotion to Allah, nor the holy month, nor the animals of offering, nor the animals wearing collars, indicating they are for sacrifice, nor ill-treat those who have set out for the holy house, seeking from their Lord His bounty and good pleasure. But once you are free from pilgrimage obligations, you are free to hunt. Do not let your wrath against the people who have barred you from the holy mosque move you to commit undue transgressions. Rather, help one another in acts of righteousness and piety, and do not help one another in sin and transgression. Fear Allah. Surely Allah is severe in retribution.
حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أهل لغير الله به والمنخنقة والموقوة والمتردية والنطيحة وما أكل السبع إلا ما ذكيتم وما ذبح على النصب وأن تستقسموا بالأزلام ذلكم فسق. اليوم يئس الذين كفروا من دينكم فلا تخشوهم واخشون اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا فمن اضطر في مخمصة غير متجانف لإثم فإن الله غفور رحيم.
Forbidden to you are carrion, blood, the flesh of swine, the animal slaughtered in any name other than Allah's, the animal which has either been strangled, killed by blows, has died of a fall, or by goring or devoured by a beast of prey, unless it be that which you yourselves might have slaughtered while it was still alive. And forbidden to you also that which was slaughtered at the altars. You are also forbidden to seek knowledge of your fate by divining arrows. All these are sinful acts. This day the unbelievers have fully despaired of your religion. Do not fear them, but fear me. This day I have perfected for you your religion, and have bestowed upon you my bounty in full measure, and have been pleased to assign for you Islam as your religion. Follow then the lawful and unlawful bounds enjoined upon you. As for he who is driven by hunger without being willfully inclined to sin, surely Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.
يسألونك ماذا أحل لهم قل أحل لكم الطيبات وما علمتم من الجوارح مكلبين تعلمونهن مما علمكم الله فكلوا مما أمسكن عليكم واذكروا اسم الله عليه واتقوا الله إن الله سريع الحساب.
They ask you what has been made lawful to them. Say that all clean things have been made lawful to you. And such hunting animals as you teach, training them to hunt, teaching them the knowledge Allah has given you, you may eat what they catch for you, but invoke the name of Allah on it. Have fear of Allah in violating His law. Allah is swift in His reckoning.
اليوم أحل لكم الطيبات وطعام الذين أوتوا الكتاب حل لكم وطعامكم حل لهم والمحصنات من المؤمنات والمحصنات من الذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبلكم إذا آتيتموهن أجورهن محصنين غير مسافحين ولا متخذي أخدان ومن يكفر بالإيمان فقد حبط عمله وهو في الآخرة من الخاسرين.
This day all clean things have been made lawful to you. The food of the people of the book is permitted to you, and your food is permitted to them. And permitted to you are chaste women, be they from among the believers or from among those who have received the book before you, provided you become their protectors in wedlock after paying them their bridal due, rather than going around committing fornication and taking them as secret companions. The work of he who refuses to follow the way of faith will go to waste, and he will be among the utter losers in the hereafter.